Liquid SEER Capacity Enhancing Thermal Transfer Coating is designed to coat HVAC system components to extend the life of HVAC systems in harsh environments and to enhance performance. The proprietary formula intuitively maximizes efficiency and prolongs the life of the machine. When applying Liquid SEER thermal transfer coating, always wear eye protection, chemical-resistant gloves, and a paint respirator. Be sure to work outdoors or in a well-ventilated area. Prepare workspace by covering it to protect from spray mist. Avoid spraying in windy, rainy, or dusty conditions. In preparation for application, be sure to run the equipment and record its performance, including BTUs, enthalpy, and energy efficiency. Next, you will need to clean the coil. Before Liquid SEER can be applied to metal surfaces, they must be cleaned and free of oxides, oil, dirt, debris, or other contaminants that could affect adhesion. Alkaline and acid-based coil cleaners are not recommended because they can cause aluminum oxidization and could negatively affect adhesion. Coil cleaners should be thoroughly rinsed and dried before application. To reduce the drying time after cleaning the coil, you may reinstall the outdoor fan and run it. The final step of preparation is to tape off around the coil and cover any surfaces you want to keep protected. Shake the Liquid SEER can vigorously for at least 1 minute so that the mixing ball rattles. Remove tab and pour paint into a professional-grade airless sprayer or compressed air sprayer. Be sure to follow the operation instructions of your sprayer. Do not dilute or add any ingredients to Liquid SEER under any conditions. To determine the amount of Liquid SEER necessary for your equipment, consult this chart or the chart on the Liquid SEER packaging. Note that due to variations in equipment by brand and size, this table is for general guidelines. It is important to ensure complete, even coverage of Liquid SEER over all required surfaces. Should extra paint be required for thorough coverage, remember the 2-to-1 rule. There must be 2 coats on the exterior of the outdoor coil and 1 coat on the interior. While spraying, apply from a perpendicular angle and move in smooth, even motions. Be sure to check your work as you go to ensure uniform and complete coverage. Good coverage will cause Liquid SEER to look velvety as it cures. Remember the 2-to-1 rule. After applying the first coat to the entire coil, ensure the exterior receives a second coat. Once Liquid SEER has cured to the touch, reinstall the outdoor fan and run the machine to increase drying speed. Allow the coating to dry for approximately 30 additional minutes. Finally, run and test the machine to ensure it is running at manufacturer's specifications. Record the new performance data. Note that a large increase in BTUs may require adjusting the indoor fan setting to a lower speed in order to optimize dehumidification. Here you can see the improvement Liquid SEER has made to this Goodman split system. The cooling BTUs have increased by 14,875. Overall increased energy efficiency is 3.5 EER, which translates to an impressive 3.47 more BTUs produced per watt of energy consumed. Truly, with Liquid SEER, this unit is achieving more using less energy. Not only does Liquid SEER reduce energy consumption, it helps produce a more comfortable conditioned environment indoors. And Liquid SEER is UV resistant, able to protect this unit from harsh environmental factors such as saltwater corrosion, chemical corrosion, galvanic corrosion, UV damage, and more, prolonging the life of the machine. It's the black coating that delivers big green benefits. Liquid SEER Capacity Enhancing Thermal Transfer Coating.